In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Klaviyo form ID, a crucial skill for anyone using Klaviyo for email marketing. We'll walk you through the steps to access, review, and edit your forms, ensuring you have all the tools at your disposal to effectively manage your digital marketing efforts. Let's begin our journey on the Klaviyo homepage. Once you're logged in, your first action is to navigate the left menu bar. Here, you'll find the Sign Up Forms tab. Clicking on this will take you to the area where all your hard work in creating forms can be seen at a glance. Once you're in the Sign Up Forms section, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Each form is a gateway to your users, inviting them to connect with your business. To dive deeper, simply click on the name of one of these forms. For example, if you have a form named Newsletter Sign Up, just click on it to access all related details. Upon selecting a form, you're immediately taken to a comprehensive dashboard displaying performance metrics. This dashboard is a powerful tool, showing you essential data on how many views and submissions your form has gotten over time. Monitoring these metrics is crucial, as they provide insight into how well your forms are performing and can indicate whether adjustments are needed to enhance engagement. For those occasions when alterations are necessary, Klaviyo makes it simple. To modify your form, look for the Edit Form button. Clicking this opens up the customization options. Here, you can tweak the appearance and functionality as needed, ensuring your form suits your branding and strategic objectives perfectly. This easy-to-navigate process optimizes your ability to handle your forms efficiently. Each step allows you to maintain control over your engagement strategies and adapt as needed based on your form's performance metrics. Remember, your forms are the gateway to building relationships with your audience, so keeping them optimized is critical. With these instructions, you now have the knowledge to effectively manage your Klaviyo forms. It's all about gaining insights and making those insights work for you. Whether you're new to Klaviyo or looking to enhance your existing strategies, these steps will serve as a foundation for future success. Thank you for following along in this guide on finding your Klaviyo form ID. The more comfortable you become with using these tools, the better equipped you'll be to leverage Klaviyo's full potential. If you have any further questions or need additional insights into email marketing strategies, feel free to dive deeper into Klaviyo resources or reach out to their support team for more guidance. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and happy marketing.